Made another set. 0.12 millimeter layer height. Turns out really nice. I hope it focuses.
Han gjorde det, han åkte fantastiskt mycket. Vi såg ju när han gick i mål där att han var totalt utpumpad.
Sverige växlade som 8 efter 2 sträckor. Barcelona förde.
Now we'll glue this from the inside with epoxy, and I have this in the correct position for the rudder, and I will most likely make a bushing down here too, so that I have a really nice, but it rotates, oh, squeaks a little bit, but it rotates really nice. So now I will make some real epoxy. I will just let this set so it's fixated in the right position, and then I'll put a little bit of thickened epoxy that gets to harden overnight. So this is the bracket for you missed me smearing epoxy here. Didn't do a great job, but now we have a bracket for the trim tab servo, and tomorrow I will install that and make sure we have a linkage, and also connect the rudder to the shaft. It will have a pin that you would have to remove if you want to take it apart. Having a bearing surface down here too. Courageous, I had this free hanging, so with this design I think it's going to be a lot stronger. This will be cut off, of course, and level with the hull. So that's all for tonight. It's beer time here in Sweden. So I switched to metal gear. I don't know if it's, but this turned out pretty sturdy, so it's got a metal gear. I think it's a Hobby King servo, and it will have a aluminum, and then I might have to do some machining tomorrow at a friend's workshop, because I don't have anything for this diameter shaft. I will look. This is temporary. It's 3D printed. It was just so that I could mock it up and see if it works. But trim tab works. There's some finished job to be done, but feels pretty good. It won't work. Need to find some better ceiling height. There's a little bit of difference. This one being scale 1 to 10, and the other one my normal scale 1 to 10.6. I'm building this for a challenge from a Swiss guy. I'm Swedish, so hopefully we will meet in northern Germany in August and race. So this is the update on Kookaburra 3. I told you about the computer crash I had, which I feel really stupid. I'm a nerd and I should know better, but my backup drive died, and 3 days later my main hard drive got corrupt. I don't think it died, but it got corrupt enough where I couldn't and I thought I had my data backed up on Google Drive, but my subfolders were not backed up. This is Kookaburra 3 Bigger is better. This is Kookaburra 3 in scale 1 to 10. It's a little bit bigger than my regular boats. Looking over there, excuse my messy shop here, I shouldn't show you this. And this is because I've been challenged by a guy from Switzerland. I already told you in the video, but wanted to give you a little update. When I did remodel this hull, I think I improved on the surface. So this is a little bit better according to a little bit. Can hardly tell, but it is a little bit better than the first attempt. And the bustle, as always, I will put on afterwards. I would like to take the opportunity to thank everyone. I'm amazed that 381 people think this channel is good enough to subscribe to, so thank you very much. My goal with this boat is this Kookaburra 3 is that it will be the best I've ever done. So I will put a lot of effort into making a decent mold, thinking of going epoxy for the mold, something that will be a first for me. And I'm also gonna do a carbon fiber hull, and that is to be competitive. The weight of the boat will be 26 kilograms, so that would be more than 55, 56, 57 pounds, and the length is 81 inches or 2.05 something meters. So thank you again for subscribing, and thanks for not pressing the thumbs down. If you don't like this, I totally understand, but makes me so happy not to have any thumbs down. Thank you very much, and have a nice weekend.